Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Rajendra Agumre and my today's topic is what is JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level, dynamic and versatile programming language primarily used for building interactive and dynamic web pages. It is core technically for front-end web development, enabling developers to create responsive and engaging user interfaces. Key features of a JavaScript include first one is a client side scripting. Uh, JavaScript is the primary executed on the client browser, allow it to interact with a document object model to manipulate web page content, structure, and style dynamically. It enables the creation of interactive and dynamic user interfaces. Second feature of JavaScript is object-oriented. JavaScript follow an object-oriented programming paradigm, allowing developers to create and manipulate objects with properties and methods. Object can be used to represent and organize data and in a behavior and structure manner. Uh, Third feature of a JavaScript is event-driven programming. JavaScript is a event driven, meaning it responds to user action and executes specific code is response to these events. Uh, this is crucial for creating an interactive and responsive web application. Fourth feature of JavaScript is asynchronous programming. JavaScript supports asynchronous programming through mechanisms like callback, promises, and async await. This is important for handling tasks that may take time to complete, such as fetching data from a server without blocking the main thread. Uh, Fifth feature of a JavaScript is cross browser compatibility. JavaScript is supported by all major web browsers, making it a versatile choice for web development. However, developers often need to consider uh, cross-browser compatibility to ensure consistent behavior across different browsers. And sixth feature of a JavaScript is integration with HTML and CSS. JavaScript can be embedded directly into HTML pages and CSS pages, and it can manipulate the structure and style of a web page by interacting with HTML and CSS. This integration allows for seamless development of dynamic and interactive user interface. That's all about JavaScript. Thank you so much.